Do you want me to talk to the video? Or?
Yeah, just tell us what you're doing. So we've got Dr. Adam here doing some adjustments on James. Now, Adam, what is that machine you're using?
This is an after-stim.
An after-stim.
Basically, it's a handheld device that has 14 impulses a second.
Yeah.
And the harder you push, the harder it goes. So
okay.
For someone who's a bit older or someone who likes gentle treatment, we'll go a bit lighter.
Mm-hmm.
Someone like James who works quite hard, we push a bit harder and we get more of a response.
So you do it right through his spine in just a general way?
Yep. So work through his lower back. And then James also gets a lot of headaches, so we go up through his shoulders and towards his neck.
James, how does it feel?
Yeah, it's good. You can feel it like really sort of getting the knots and that out. So.
Well, that's pretty much what it's designed to do, to break down the adhesions, relax the area, stimulate the tissue.
Now it's going to go through thoracic adjustments through James's back. Take a breath out, let it loose. All the way. Good. One here. Drop it down. Good. And then last one. That's it. Excellent. Good. So James, come on to this hip, please.
What's this adjustment you're doing, Adam?
So this one here is going to be a lumbar roll or a sideline adjustment.
And what's that designed to do?
So you can either use it on the pelvis, or in James's case, we're actually going to do it on his L5. So it's going to pull him over and it's going to push the other way. So right there. Good. Come to that other side. And then on this side, we're just going to do one on his right sacroiliac joint. So one here. Let it loose. Good. That was big. Come onto your back.
So what are you looking at when you look at someone's shoes like that?
So when we look at everyone's feet, we're looking for symmetry.
Yes.
And it generally measured from the medial malleolus. Now James has got boots on, but we can feel through here and here that he is quite neutral.
And why do some people not measure from the heel?
Some people can do because their pelvis is out of alignment.
Yeah.
Other reasons can actually be an anatomical short leg, but we've taken scans and we know James doesn't have an anatomical short leg.
Okay.
Now, with James's neck, we have to be very careful because he does suffer from headaches and a lot of neck pain. So, got one through here. Let it loose. Good. And one up top. Right there. Good. Come sitting up, facing that way, please.